I was 35 years ago, I was standing on a tennis court in California in the Bay Area. And all the people I was coaching were coming from tech. And I felt it was just time to make a move. I went over there. And it was pretty funny because it was the ultimate Silicon Valley startup early days. I got there, there was unlimited candy, unlimited food. 6 months later, we were out of business, had to go find another job. MDL basically invented the computerized representation of a molecule. Every pharma company required MDL. Every chemistry company, BASF, Dow, DuPont, Monsanto, all required what MDL had. It was a great place to work. I go to conferences all the time. I speak at conferences. The problems are exactly the same. You've got data over here, you've got data over here, you've got data over here. It's not normalized. I understand that the challenge is there. It's not simple, but it's conceptually easy if everybody just agreed to do it. If there's fear of drugs, right? A fear of what medications and therapies are trying to do, or fear of that they're trying to lock you into a lifetime of taking drugs, then the regulators are going to be more concerned with protecting people by not rushing things into market. AI is evolving quickly enough that what we'll be able to see is a capability for that aha moment, the non-obvious, the non-linear connection that will look at three pieces of unrelated data and from that come up with a correlation that can go out to a new target or a new indication and hit one of those unmet needs. It's future world. And that's where you now have that coalescence of technology and the layer of machine learning, artificial intelligence, whatever you want to call it, that can manage all of that. And the amazing things there is you've got not just the management of the scientific task that they're doing, but then underlying or behind that, you've got all of the telemetry that's like that robot is going to need to be switched out because we see a circuit malfunctioning or something. You've got almost all of the support functions for the scientific functions. It's not just taking the role of the bench scientist, it's also taking the role of the IT guy, the facilities guy. I've said this to almost every platform, AI platform companies. They'll come in and say, this is going to increase your efficiency by 50%, 100%, 500%, 10,000%. Great. But if you're increasing the efficiency from point C to point D by 5,000%, you're creating a backlog at D. You're creating your efficiency gain is creating a problem for the company. You've got this ecosystem where you've got automated labs, fully automated labs. You've got data that's being generated, output generated at scale we've never seen before, processed, computationally processed and analyzed through new technologies that we've never had this opportunity. If we optimize all of this, then you can get to the point that Professor X and two of his associates can take $500,000, not trivial, or $1 million, and start a company where through all of these externalized processes, you get the end result of the IP asset and all of the corresponding data that would correspond to what a large pharma could then take with a confidence that we could now submit this to potentially get into a drug. I've got 4 grandchildren. All I care about is that my 4 grandchildren don't have to look downstream at the diseases my parents did. That's what gets me excited.